Hello, I'm Jim Sewell, and I'm out here in my backyard garden to share with you some tips on how to be more self-sufficient, eat healthier, and save money, all while getting some fresh air and exercise and enjoying the outdoors.
If seeing barren shelves in grocery stores when the pandemic started got you thinking about food security, you were not alone. Across the nation, hardware stores, greenhouses, and seed companies quickly saw their inventory of plants, seeds, and soil amendments fly off shelves as consumers flock to their backyards to start their own garden.
It's now the first week of winter. That doesn't mean that your garden has to stop producing. I'm going to share with you 2 tips to keep your garden productive throughout the year.
The first thing you want to do is choose plant varieties that enjoy cool weather. Plants in the Brassica family, such as cabbage, bok choy, broccoli, and kale, thrive in cooler weather and can usually withstand a light frost.
Leafy greens like this kale are chock full of vitamins and minerals that can really strengthen your immune system to help you to fight off colds and flus throughout this winter season. As I mentioned, these plants can withstand a light frost, but in the wintertime, you can expect temperatures to drop below freezing. To protect your plants during these cold, freezing nights, you really need something like this. And this is a hoop house that I've been using for the past few years.
Hoop houses like these are ideal protections since they are easy to make and require inexpensive materials.
Hoop houses work by creating an area of insulated air for your plant, and that air through the day gets trapped by the sunlight passing through the clear plastic that'll warm up the air and create a nice warm environment on the inside that even after the sun goes down, that warm air slowly cools, which will largely keep your plants nice and comfortable throughout a long winter night.
I have 4 foot by 4 foot raised beds, and to convert them into mini hoop houses, I simply pressed 3 8-foot long, 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipes into the ground to form my hoops. Then for added strength, I attach a 4-foot long furring strip across the top. Then I drape roughly a 10-foot by 10-foot piece of clear plastic sheeting over my hoops and attach it to my raised beds with staples. I now have a nice comfy house for my plant, made from easily sourced materials from local hardware stores, food security, nutritious eats, exercise, stress relief, and an excuse to get outside and be in the sunshine are all great reasons to have vegetables growing year-round.
I hope you enjoyed my gardening video, Digital Nesters, and that you'll subscribe to watch more in the coming year. Because together, we grow. This is Jim Sewell from Pensacola, Florida. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @Digital. See you in the next video.